There are many opportunities for the millennial generation in manufacturing, not only in Noble County, but the region as a whole. One opportunity that may go unnoticed is in welding. Manufacturing is making a comeback. Education is a key component to career readiness. Millennials will play an important part in building the workforce for manufacturing in Northeast Indiana. We need to recruit and develop welding talent now to meet our future workforce needs.
We take high school students and we give them an opportunity to either further their education or go on into industry and get a job when they graduate. Our goal in here is to get them with 3 certifications, 2 in structural welding and 1 as an entry-level welder, and that helps them get the foothold in a new job.